Hey everyone, like the title says, this was an afternoon of pure determination. Just want to remind everybody you might not enjoy discipline, but you'll most certainly enjoy the results. The thing about discipline is that it might be painful at times, but the pain of regret is far worse. It reminds me of a quote by Hermann Hesse. He said, "Love your suffering. Do not resist it. Do not flee from it. It is only your aversion to it that hurts, nothing else." Ever since I read that quote, it just really resonated with me, and it's spot on. I hope you enjoy the video. Well, Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this inspires somebody. It never pays to self-pity and argue for your excuses. It's just a sign of learned helplessness. Avoid the victim mentality. Believe in yourself and go make it happen.